All right, so finally got this door on. Okay, with all the issues we had with the thing. Watch how nice it opens. One, that's it. Beautiful. Perfect gap. Perfect gap all the way around. Okay? That's why you use an original door. Not aftermarket.
As much as original as you can get.
As much original as you can get. Okay? So the door works beautiful, nice. Right? That's it. Line is good. Gap is good.
Did you really show any of this aftermarket stuff, how it fit? We didn't really show any of that on here.
You've been seeing how all the aftermarket junk don't fit. Never.
No, I'm saying, did we show any of the aftermarket or not really?
This car?
Yeah, I'm saying.
We only had them couple of pieces in the front that would fit like crap. So, that's it. This works good. The other door we knew already worked good, but we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to put that door on, clean the freaking latch before we even try doing that one. So. And then that's it. Now we can prime the doors. Same thing. Original fender. The fender's going to go on the exact same place. There's no, there's no guesswork.
The wheel wells are original.
The wheel wells are original. That's why we fixed all the original crap. Because when you assemble it, it'll be that much more. Lines will be good. Everything will be good. The holes all line up. You're not fighting holes and drilling new holes and cutting metal and all kinds of stuff. We've done cars where you buy the door and the quarter panel from the same company. You put them on, and the gaps are all over the place, and you got to end up cutting the quarter and the door and making your own gaps to make a nice line. That you ain't getting no better than that. That's perfect, original, all right? So that's that. I'm gonna try putting the other door on. We'll get the other door. We'll take the latch off. Same thing. Clean it all up, blast it, and clean it, and lubricate it, and then we'll put it on. All right, that's that. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Working on the El Camino again today. Got the other door on. That one fits. Putting this door on. Tried this one. Doing the same thing with the sand and jammed or whatever. So we're gonna take this one apart. Hold that door, Josh. Ready? One. Two. All right. Okay.
What's that?
Hopefully winter is done, guys. At least where we are here. Nice day out today. Huh. So that other door.
You need to put all the tools away.
Completely different.
No, I didn't go get those yet. No. Yeah. Oh. It's 12. All right.
Just say I'm gonna get some tools. I'll come right back.
Yep.
Be done.
All right, we're gonna get some tools and we'll be right back.
All right. So we got this one apart. That.
You want this done too, or?
Jam. All right.
I'll
sandblast that. He's gonna sandblast that, get that thing all done. We'll lube it all up, put it back together. Then we can mount these doors and start priming. This door fit fine before. Alright. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome to all the new guys, new people on the channel. We're almost at 3-something, whatever it is. Like I said before, 500. We're going to raffle off a t-shirt. And we'll do something every once in a while. So, beautiful weather out, man. Waiting on some parts for the Fairlane. You can see the rear right there. That. Got the new slicks for the Comet. We'll show you that in another video. Waiting on some rims. And we'll have a couple more videos coming out real quick about a fire system we're going to install in it. And what else we got going on? Fire system, the Han support, so safety stuff probably in the next video. Got to add a couple of bars in the back to mount the fire extinguisher fire system in the Comet. So we'll show you what that's all about. All right, we're going to get that thing sandblasted. Be right back. Okay. That all set. Blow it all out. Spray it all up with WD-40. Put some white lifting grease all over everything. Okay. She works good. Alright, so we're going to put new clips on it. Set this in place.
The ones on that are a torque set?
Say what?
The ones on that one are torques. They're not a...
Oh, yeah. got these little clips that got to go on there. Alright, so we're going to finish lubricating all these bolts. Put some anti-seize on these. Alright. And get ready to put the door on. On the other side, we had to pull this out to make it line up, and then it worked perfect. This side should be no problem, but we're going to put it on. Check the clearance on the door, check the gaps all the way around, make sure it all works good, and then that's it for the doors finally. Should be able to latch that right on. I hold it up against the bolts.
Okay, here. Flip this around real quick. Alright, so see, nice line on the door. So
Get this one. We're gonna just go up for a second there.
I'm gonna hold it.
Just like,
This door fit good before though, so. But just to make sure.
down here.
Okay.
Good. Nice line. Just gotta push that corner in here.
Yeah. That's just gotta go in there. On the corner. Down here. Well, it should. I can't do it right here.
Nope, it's gotta go right there. Alright, now we should be good. Nice. Alright, so I just gotta fix that bottom piece real quick. Give it a little taparoo. Give it a little taparoo. Oh yeah. Okay. them all. And that's good.
Okay.
Looks good to me. Alright. That all lines up. These lines are good.
Yeah, line on the bottom.
Yep, all good. Nice line all the way around.
Alright.
Alright, that's that. Alright, so I'm just not.
Maybe.
All this
one-
feels good. This sunk. So I'm gonna hit that one more time. That don't feel right. I'm gonna just skim that little spot, and then the doors and the fenders, the headliner. The header, radiator support, the header, that other piece. This filler panel, the tailgate. We're gonna prime all that. Probably tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice still tomorrow, I think.
No, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, Thursday.
Thursday?
Friday, Saturday is gonna be nice.
One of these days we'll get them all in primer.
It's gonna be warm, but it's
For
gonna
now, I'm gonna
it'll
skim this
rain.
Back here, let's do body work. We'll do the body work
Alright.
back here, and then hit that door one more time.
Okay.
All right. All right.